Which finger do you want to have the statement ring on? This is what we are going to see, some of the statement rings. Okay, I have selected some of these statement rings. These are gold plated stainless steel in a very high quality, and look, you can have them stackable or you can just have one. It talks a lot. These type are very much popular these days. Look at these two. Some of these are adjustable, open, so you can adjust it on your finger, and some are not, so we have it in a specific size. Then we have this one is very classy, and look at this one, it's very special. I like the design. And this is geometric uneven shape, my favorite. How do you like it? And this is knitted. All together, look at these beautiful statement rings. You can have one or only one is enough. Sometimes if you like to be bold, it's okay to have 2 or 3 at the same time. Up to you. Read the caption and I have some tips for you.